You're the meanest puppy ever. If you keep ignoring me, I'm gonna have to use violence. Ah. Ah.
Today. Aww.
Do not kiss me. I'm not in the mood for kisses. If you do it again, I'm gonna have to punch you in the face. Ugly.
Oh gosh. Just like yawning.
You're fat. Lose some weight. Fatty face. Don't. I said no. Are you gonna listen?
Just like looking at you. Oh no. He's getting angry now. Oh, I can.
No. Stop it. Your tongue is fat. Don't yawn at me. What are you, tired? Go to sleep.
Miles.